In today's video, I'm going to talk about something really interesting to me, at least, and hopefully to you too. And that's the lo-fi music. I just learned about this and I was doing a little YouTube search and I noticed that like a lot of channels are putting live lo-fi music on and like a lot of people are watching those. And like even if it's not live, like the videos, for example, this one from 2 months ago that got like 1.3 million views. So people might be into that. People are interested in it. And as I said, like I also found it really interesting. So I thought I'll show you how you can make your own lo-fi music. But first of all, what is a lo-fi music? Lo-fi is low fidelity music, right? That's the kind of music that they intentionally and on purpose put imperfections into the song, right? For example, the tunes are out of tone, or I don't know, something like that, right? Um, anyway, I'm just gonna show you how you can create your own lo-fi music. All you need to do is to create an account in Meeword website. I'm just gonna put a link in the description so that you can easily access this. But honestly, that's almost all you need to do. You just create an account in this website. And once you log in, it gives you these options. It says you can either enter prompt or upload an image. And if you don't want these, you can choose from here, right? So basically what it does is that it's like an AI tool and it generates a lo-fi music for you. You can like put a prompt in here. You can say fire sound, right? Or I don't know, like walking in the forest or whatever you want. It's just like the other videos that I showed you about how to generate AI videos and we were using prompts and it's almost the same thing. So yeah, you can put your prompt in here. If you don't want that, you can upload an image and it tries to understand what the image is. And based on then the image, it generates some music for you. Or like you can, as I said, like you can play with these options in here. If you go to genres, you will see a lot of options here, right? For example, classical, ambient, I don't know, pop music, are like almost all kind of music genres are here. And then like once you select that, let's say, for example, we go classical, and then for moods, like you can choose what you want. Let's say happy birthday, for example, and activity. You can choose something um, that makes sense to you, right? For example, I'm just gonna go piano, for example. And as you see, it just shows it in the prompt option up here. If you were not happy with that, you can just delete that, put your own here. I'm just gonna do like, as I said, like a fire sound, for example. And so this is the first setting that you have to play with. And then the next option that it gives you is that you can choose a type. If it's a track, if it's a loop, it's a mix or something. I'm just going to keep it that track for now. And then the third option is the duration of the music that you want to generate, right? By default, it comes at 45 seconds, but I don't know. Let's change that to 20, for example, for the purpose of this video. And then once you're happy with all the settings that you have, obviously the prompt is the most important one in here, but also like the duration and everything else. Then you just go generate track, right? And you'll see here that is like trying to generate track. And up here, you see this thing blinking in here. It says like one, well, stop blinking because it's generated now. And once it's generated, then you can obviously download it, right? Here is your download icon. You click on it. This is what I really like about this tool. When you click on it, it just like bring you up here to your downloaded version. I think I just like accidentally clicked twice on it. So like we have a fire sound, it's on downloaded version here. And then like you can just go here and download it on your machine. If you want to do that, it's asking you to put the URL of your YouTube channel on here, right? Or it doesn't have to be YouTube. You can choose your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, whatever account that you want. The purpose of this is that so that, like as it says here, it's a copyright claim thingy. So I'm just gonna put my own YouTube channel link in here. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can create one, or as I said, like you can just like use your Facebook or Instagram or TikTok account, whatever you have, and then it just could continue, right? And agree with the terms and download, and it downloads the music for you, right? It says, okay, I want to save it as this, for example. I'm saying, okay, like just Lofire sound. That's it. And I'll save it on my desktop and done, right? That's all you need to do. And now I have a music, like I have a lo-fi music, a lo-fi song, right? Now, what I did, and I actually really enjoyed that, like, because if you look at this, for example, this video in here on YouTube, right? It's like there was a photo, like there was a very short video, and like the song keeps playing on it. So what I did is that I excuse me about that. So in previous video we talked about how we can generate some AI videos, right? We talked about Morph Studio, for example. So I used those tools and I generated a video. And now I generated a fire video, obviously, and I want to put the music that I made, right, into that video. So for that purpose, I'm going to use the CapCut tool. It's a free tool. You can download it if you want to. There is also like an online version if you don't really want to have it on your machine for whatever reason. But yeah, anyway, so once you open it, right, like you can see that here there is this import option, right? I'm just going to click on the import. So this is the old one that I generated, and this is the one that we generated together as the fire sound. I'm just going to import that. And now I just want to go back to import again and import the sample video that I generated, right? And it's here. And I can show it to you. For example, it's just like a video of like a fire. Nothing too crazy about this. And the duration of this video was 20 seconds. That's why I generated my lo-fi music for about 20 seconds as well. So now all you need to do is to select these two. So I'm just like, this one is selected. I'm just going to select this one as well. And let's close that. And now you have them both. You can just like drag and drop them both in here, right? And here, now your video has the sound. Like you can see the video here. You can see the sound here. Like if you want, you can zoom in and you can see that like the sound is like kind of going down in here. So like you can adjust, like you can reduce the duration of your music, or, you know, do things like that. And once you're happy with that, you can just, you know, save the output. But let's hear the output, see how it sounds. Okay, it sounded, well, obviously more than just the fire sound, but it was like a really cool, relaxing sound and music. So yeah, I guess that was really interesting to me. So I thought I'd wanna share that with you. And as I said, basically all you needed to do is to just go to Moopert website and play with the options that they give you and generate your own lo-fi music. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching me again. And don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss the next videos. And you can also support my channel with your subscriptions. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.